Let's make some healthy roti. Now this blend is different but really delicious and nutritious. Basically, you want to put together oat flour, wheat flour, and white flour, as well as yeast. That will help the roti to rise. And then we're going to add some warm water and just mix everything together. Then you're going to knead the flour. This may take a few minutes. Make sure everything is combined well. And then make a little bowl and leave that to rise. You can cover it with a wet or warm rag. After about 20 minutes, the dough is risen. After I split it into two, I'm just rolling out one at a time. You can add a little extra flour to make sure it doesn't stick to the tile. And keep rolling until it's thin and round. Then when the tower is hot, you can put the roti on it and leave it to rise. Flip on both sides, and if it's not rising, then you can use the side of the tower to push the roti to the end and just let the fire touch it. Give it a little kiss and it will rise. Now we're transferring it to slice it into quarters and enjoy. Usually we enjoy it with some sort of talcary or choka, which is cooked veg. For example, bodi. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment down below what you enjoy your roti with and if you tried this recipe.